To use Bixby offline or without internet connection on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to enable offline processing option within the Bixby settings. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap Bixby. Under advanced feature section, tap offline processing. And then tap the gray on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, you can use Bixby to run key command offline, like setting a timer, taking a screenshot, or turning on the flashlight. To see how this feature works, turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data. As the example, we will use Bixby offline to take a screenshot. To do so, say the voice wake up and then say the voice command. Hi Bixby, take a screenshot. You can see that your phone has taken a screenshot. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.